Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. We are not giving up without a fight. That's the word from embattled telecoms provider Symbiote Investments, which trades as Carousel. The company, which has an ongoing case in the Court of Appeal, says it won't stop until the licenses have been restored. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
A long walk to freedom. That's how Company Secretary of Symbiote Investments, Minette Lawrence, describes the firm's legal woes. She says despite the challenges, Symbiote will not give up.
As a matter of principle, we are taking this fight to the final courts. It's important to us, it's important to every Jamaican. When you have something of value and it is taken from you unfairly, you have a duty to fight for it.
As for the case in the Court of Appeal,
we've asked the court to look at the minister's conduct in the revocation order, in making the order revoking licenses granted to the company. Our case is that the minister acted improperly. He exceeded the statutory authority which he has under the Telecommunications Act. He was unreasonable in coming to a decision that the existence of adverse traces in relation to a person associated with the company was a proper ground for revocation of the licenses.
And while things intensify in court, CEO of Symbiote Investments, Lowell Lawrence, says business is booming.
It is so overwhelming, the amount of persons that continue to come into the office trying to get modems, trying to get service where they are. I mean, it is really surprising. We certainly did not expect this kind of a reaction, and we are encouraged by it.
Symbiote Investments lost its telecoms licenses last year on the grounds that the company failed to provide the Office of Utilities Regulation with important documents which were requested. In addition, the company's spectrum licenses were revoked on the grounds that Symbiote was not fit and proper to operate in Jamaica. However, the Court of Appeal allowed it to continue operating. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
We go on to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar now going for $137.18. The Canadian dollar ended the day at $105.01. The pound is now selling for $175.45, while the euro traded at $155.53. Oil prices, they traded lower today. Oil for delivery in March went down by $1.12. It's now selling at $53.72 a barrel. On the stock markets, the JSE index gained 304 points today, while the junior market index declined by 19 points. Among the winners were Blue Power Group, Iron Rock Insurance, Caribbean Cream, Proven Investments, and Jamaica Broilers. We go now to the losers, which include Main Event Entertainment Group, CAC 2000, Knutsford Express Services, AMG Packaging and Paper, and Jamaica Producers Group. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.